In this video, I will show you exactly how to set up and play two-player local split screen in Gran Turismo 7. You need to complete at least the first few menu books in the single-player cafe mode. Once you see the multiplayer pavilion appear on the world map, you are ready to begin. Start by heading over to the multiplayer building located on the far right side of your screen. When you enter this area, you will notice two options. One is for online lobbies and the other is for split screen. Select the split screen option to open the local versus mode. Now it is time to connect your second controller. Make sure your friend is signed into a guest account or their own profile on your console. If the second controller is not properly synced, the game will not allow you to proceed. After both controllers are active, the first player can choose the track and race settings. You can pick from your own garage of cars or use the provided rental vehicles if you want a fair match. Once everything is set, simply hit start and enjoy the high-speed action together. It is a fantastic way to test your skills against your friends and family right from your own living room.